Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by logging every income source and its exact dollar value. This is your baseline. Once done, tally fixed essentials, rent, utilities, insurance, loan minimums, because these must be covered first. Next, choose an emergency target, 1/2 to 1 month of essential expenses to start. It reduces stress while you figure variable spending. Make sure to use actual numbers, not estimates, so your next steps are accurate and actionable. Now allocate your income across categories with clear percentages so you can see choices. For example, start with 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt. Adjust those numbers to match reality. Once allocations are set, automate payments and transfers to enforce discipline and create sinking funds for irregular expenses. Then track every transaction daily or weekly so you spot leaks quickly. This habit keeps the plan honest and prevents surprises when bills arrive. Finish each month by comparing budgeted numbers to actual spending. This reveals where you misestimated and why. Once you identify gaps, reassign dollars, prioritize building emergency savings, then attacking high-interest debt, and finally funding other goals. Make sure to trim discretionary spending first before touching essentials. If expenses consistently exceed income, troubleshoot by cutting one recurring cost by about 10% immediately, and then rebalance categories to restore stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.